Hey guys, how's it going? So, I am really concerned about the stock market right now because the 10-year yield treasure is going up. The bond market is on fire. Uh and we know like retail investors don't invest in the bond market. We couldn't care less about the bond market. But billionaires, people who have billions of dollars, when the bond market goes up, they buy bonds, and that will cause the bond market to go even higher. And what's happening is the money from the bond market, the money is leaving the stock market and going into the bond market, which is causing all these stocks to crater and fall. So I'm really concerned about the stock market right now. There are some companies that I will hold long term even if I lose my entire profit position. But I am heavy in cash right now. My portfolio is probably like 70% cash and 30% stocks, or maybe even 80% cash, 20% stocks. But I am heavy in cash right now, because the market scares the crap out of me, and I just feel like it's going to crash further and further and further. But I don't want to scare anyone. That's what I feel. But if you think that this is a buying opportunity, you think that this dip is just an opportunity, then you do what you want and I do what I want. Right now, I'm staying in cash. I'm watching the markets. I'm being careful. I will buy when everyone thinks that the market is crashing and it's over and it's going to be the end of the world. That's when I buy. When there is absolute fear in the market. When people are just like so scared. They are they're just so scared. That is when I will buy back my stock. I will start buying back some of the stocks that are on dirt cheap sales. But that's my plan. I don't know what you guys want to do. I'm not buying bonds, but if you guys, if you guys are rich enough, you're probably buying bonds right now if you're watching my video. But I don't know how many rich people really watch my videos. But it scares me. The market scares me right now. Bonds are just going higher and higher and higher, and it's leaving the big money is taking the money out of the stocks and putting it into the bond market. So it scares me. And then if we look from a charting perspective of the SPY, it's broken past the 50-day moving average. It's out of the Bollinger Band. That is a bearish sign. That's very bearish sign. I feel like tomorrow it might bounce back into the Bollinger Band. But I feel like, if we get a bounce tomorrow, I say buy some put options. But not financial advice. This is just my opinion. I don't know for sure. I still think that, I still don't trust the market. And I feel like it's going to keep falling. And I say any bounce is an opportunity to go short on the market. But who knows? Maybe tomorrow will be a red day too. Nobody truly knows right now. But there will be a death cross coming for this buy. Mark my words. I could totally be wrong. And something could happen. And the market could bounce back. And this whole thing was a wash. I don't know at the end of the day. But I am scared. When I look at charts and I see that everything is downtrending and the stock market is downtrending and the bond market is going up, it scares the crap out of me. And I'm just being extra cautious right now in the market. I am in mostly cash. I've been selling left, right, and center. But there are some stocks I will hold on even if I lose my entire position in it, and one of them is TAT. I'm going to hold on to TAT. I believe in this company, and I have more videos for you guys over the weekend for the TAT. Yeah. And then High Tide is also another one. I bought this thing at 15 cents. I am going to beg. I will hold my profits until you know, and if it goes back down to 15 cents, I will load the boat on that again, but I don't think it's going to go down to 15 cents. I say worst case scenario, it's going to go down to 50 cents, and I will be buying a decent amount of shares at 50 cents on this company, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is a buying opportunity. I really don't. I really don't think so. I think that this stock will keep downtrending. That's my opinion, but only time will tell if I'm right or wrong, but I don't trust the market right now. I simply don't. So you do what you want. GameStop for some reason had a big spike today, but now it's pulling back after hours, like a weird little spike. It went from 120 to almost 138, and then it's pulling back right now, so that's kind of weird. AMC did the same thing as GameStop, spiked, and now it's pulling back. I sold out of my AMC position. I was like, you know what, I'm taking my profit. I could go to the moon. It can go to $15. It can go to $20. I don't care. I'm taking my profit because I don't trust the market, and I'm just holding on to as much cash as possible. You guys can do what you want. I am going to hold cash and wait for a bottom and then start deploying my money. Tesla is down today 5% after hours, down at $5.91. NIO is down $2.25 today, down at 42 cents after hours. QuantumScape is down $4.52, bouncing back a little bit after hours. CPS Technologies, this was dead inside, big pump stock. I love this stock. I will never sell it. I will hold it forever and ever, and I think it's going to go higher and higher and higher. And look at that. It's sitting at $13.83. Man, I feel sorry for his followers that are holding this long term. I bought it in at $20 and I sold this out at $26. So I almost got the top. $27 is the top, so yay me. Arcimoto is down 71 cents, up a penny after hours. G-Tech is Jeremy's baby. I will make a video about this over the weekend, my thoughts about it, and you guys will have to wait for that. Fisker Automotive. Fisker is down $7.76%, bouncing back a little bit after hours. I sold this at $26. So I took my profit on this. I'm hoping that we can see this thing go back to $15 or even $10. That would be nice. Workhorse. I'm hoping to see this thing go back to $5. But what? I don't know. His G-Tech again. ChargePoint is bouncing back after hours. High Tide is bouncing back. High Tide will be a stock I'm holding long term. I don't care if this thing crashes to 15 cents. I will just keep buying as it goes down and down and down. I did not buy it at 70 cents today. I was thinking about it, but I was like, nah, I think it's going to go down lower. I could totally be wrong, and that could have been the bottom. Who knows? We'll see. Zoom is bouncing back after hours. Been holding its price. Modern Meat, I don't know why I have this one up. SOS is down 15% today. I think it's probably going to head down lower. Could be wrong. Pure speculation on my part. I still think Bitcoin will be... I think Bitcoin's going to be red again tomorrow. I could be wrong, but we'll see. Real Luck Group, I sold out of my position on this one. I was like, whatever, I'm taking my profit. The market just looks bad right now, and I will buy back in when this thing goes below 90 cents. If it goes below 90 cents, because I think it's going below 90 cents. Plantco is a company I added onto my thing. I believe I'm going to hold this one long term, and I will only buy more as it drops because I think that this is a really big winner. medium to long term, maybe even short term. Who knows? Maybe Jeremy will come in and be like, I'm buying this stock, and then it skyrockets to $5. Who knows? We'll see what happens. Tattoo Chef today, down 93 cents, bouncing back after hours. Real Luck Group, I already talked about that. I have too many things up, but CFII is merging tomorrow. I am bag holding this one. Aurora is down today 6.12%, bouncing back after hours. The pre-market is little green, but we'll see where that goes. If the bond market keeps rising, watch for a really red market tomorrow. Like, we'll continue our downtrend. I'm almost certain of that. And Bitcoin will fall too if the bond market keeps going up. So be careful and, be careful. Just be careful. I just don't like seeing people lose money. And I always warn people to be careful. I mean, it's your money at the end of the day. If you think that this is a buying opportunity and you don't think the market's going to crash, then no, do what you want. I'm not a financial advisor. I only do what I want, and right now I want to stay out of the market as much as possible. There's still some companies I believe in. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day.